guys, welcome back to the channel. I am JasmineLatishea. Thank you for tuning in. Okay, do not worry about my light get up. I gotta give me some light stuff. But today's video will be about the ketosis, how to get into it, update. Alright, so last night I did a video. I told you I'd come back tonight, at least 18 hours later. Well, it's been 18 hours, okay? So I wanted to show you where I was with my ketones. And today I've only taken in ice and water, and I haven't eaten anything since around 1:30 last night, 1:30 a.m. After I taped the video around 10 o'clock, I believe. I had to edit, upload, and still find me something to eat. So I didn't end up eating until 1:30. So at this point, it's been 18 hours. And I did take my levels a couple of times during the day. I took them I'll stick it in the video, where I was at 1 o'clock, okay? So that was 12 hours later, okay? So it's around like 9, 10. So, yeah, at 1 o'clock, I took my ketones. So, and I'll put that in the video. Then 6 hours, I took them again. I took it before that, but 6 hours again, which would make it about 7 o'clock, okay? So now that means I'm at 18 hours, so I'm cool to do a video. And since it's actually 9 o'clock, I believe should be 20 hours in at this point, okay? And then tomorrow, I'm gonna come back in and show you another round of 18 hours, and I'll just say minimum, okay? Because I want to kind of start pressing back, trying to get my time to go back a little bit, because doing it late at night like this, like, it's hard not to eat during the day, then you only eat at night. And I didn't exercise today because I did want to come in and show you guys this is without nothing. This is just with water. No, I did not do any energy drinks, and I want to put a disclaimer out too. Like, I have been doing my fasting with energy drinks. From what I know, you can do them with, when that's because I have more of a biblical background, and the whole point would be to go without food. So you can have any drink, like a person would probably do a soda or something, but you can have whatever you want to drink, just no eating. Like, you have to, like, the point is to starve yourself of something. You have to give up something. So I would always, my whole life, I just chose to give up the food. You know what I mean? And I'll still drink whatever it is that I wanted to drink, but I'll still drink what I wanted. Okay, so I want to go ahead and show you this because it is past the 15 seconds. Wow. Are you gonna let me get going? Okay, can you guys see? Okay, so I'm at the first level in my ketones. I am producing ketones after 18 hours of fasting. Okay, so, and that's what I wanted to show you guys step by step. That's with me eating. The last time I've eaten is 1:30 last night. Okay, so it's possible to get in there into 18 hours. You'll be at a very low level. So at this point, caution, sugar and carbs, of course. What can you eat? Probably some lettuce. I would say stay away from nuts, probably too, but I'm not too sure about that. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna come back in tomorrow after another 18 hours, and we'll see where this is going. And I'm gonna kind of track, see how many days, what level we can get on. And the main thing I'm going to avoid, I'm not going to avoid carbs, but I will try to avoid sugars, and I will try to avoid, I'll try to avoid carbs or keep it on a certain under 50 and under, okay? But I just like going by the sugar because I don't like doing the carb thing. Everything has carbs. So, and my calorie calorie mark is 1,000 a day, okay? Plus the exercise. And like I said, you can get into ketosis faster with exercise, but I just went on a chill and I wanted to show you without exercising what was possible. So this is 18 hours fasting, okay? Only water I had today, I had a shot of apple cider vinegar, and what else did I have? Apple cider vinegar and water. Yeah, that was it. That's all I had today. And I took my probiotics. Okay, so that's all I had for today. So thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you tune in tomorrow for that ab and squat challenge and the next keto video. Okay, so thank you. All right, bye-bye. Cool, you guys, every time I say bye, I'll always come back. I always forget to say something. But not only, I've said this before in another video, not only can you do the sticks, but there's a such thing as a keto meter, okay? It's like a blood sugar meter. And I think you take the sticks and you stick them in there. And I also seen something that I never seen before while I was kind of researching the sticks and stuff and how accurate, and other reviews on them, see what other people think about them, because I noticed that I forgot what the other brand is, but I don't know, I just kind of like the other ones better, because to me they're like easier to read on the spectrum. And I'll give you a little tip: if you feel like you can't tell which one that yours is matching up to, put a flashlight on it, and you will see exactly which one it's supposed to be on. Your flashlight from your phone or something. And you will see exactly which one it is. So you might want to have your phone ready with it on there, and then go ahead and do that, okay? And then I also seen that they have something called, let me see, exogenous ketones, where you can actually drink the ketones now, and you'll be in ketosis within an hour. So I didn't know whether you guys probably want to try that. Just want to throw that in there. As usual, my phone is treating me like a bald-headed stepchild. Okay, so what I was saying is, these ketones that you drink, what is that? These ketones that you drink are called exogenous. Exo meaning outer, genus meaning producing. So it's outer producing ketones, exogenous. Okay, so if you want to look into those, and I seen where it said that you can take those. You have to take those all during the day. You drink it or whatever. Comes in different flavors. You drink it and you pee it out in a couple of hours. So therefore you have to keep doing it. I'm not saying, now I didn't do enough research on it, because I'm not saying what are they using to produce the ketones. You know what I'm saying? Because it's must be already ketones that you're taking, and then when they come in, obviously it's not working with your body if it's not binding or something like that. Like, it just don't make no sense to me. At this point, it's something I wouldn't try, okay? But there's people out here using it. So if you want to do some research and you want to go look into it and help yourself get into ketosis quicker, I've never done it, so I don't know nothing about it, okay? I've seen a couple of good reviews on it, but that is it. I'm a little bit skeptical right now in this stage, and I'm just gonna do it how I'm doing it. You know, I seen the powder cost $150. I seen the powder at $50. So this is not cheap powder to get to. So if you guys want to go take a look at that, I did want to make you aware that there is something out here that can get you into ketosis within an hour. Okay, that you'll never see that. Never see that. So it can only come from an outer source, honestly. My lips are so dry. So dry. I'm not my lips, y'all. It's from me being hangry. Okay. So thank you guys for watching. I believe that is all this time that I have to say. I will see you tomorrow with the ab and squat challenge, as I said before, and with the next keto in 18 hours. Thank you for watching. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Back in the day, we used to be like, comment, rate, subscribe. Now it's comment, like, subscribe, so it'd be hard. I wonder where the rate used to be at. I didn't forgot. Maybe I should go look at some of my old 10-year-old videos and see. But we used to say comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'm still in the habit of saying it. Okay, thank you guys for watching.